Hello, everybody. I hope you all had a great holiday. I am going to be um, putting out a video for this project today, and I was going to try to do something a little bit different. So there is a premiere feature on not Facebook, on YouTube, and I'm going to try it out. So what it is I'm going to schedule the video for later around 2 p.m. Pacific time, and today's 12/29, so December 29th. And what we can do is, if you click the video, you will join a chat room, and then once the video is live and you're all watching it, we can all chat together. I can answer your questions. We could just kind of hang out, sort of like a live stream, but a recorded video. So it's kind of really cool, and I think it's going to be really helpful and useful and fun. So this is going to be the project that I'm going to be creating in the video, and it is going to be a sped up voiceover video. It's really simple. I think it's going to be fun just chit-chatting with you guys and hanging out with you guys. I've really enjoyed the live videos that I have done in the past week or so, and a lot of you want me to do them regularly. So I'm going to try and prepare for those, but I did want to try this feature out because I do think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you can join me later. If you can't, be sure to watch the video later on and comment if you have any questions or anything like that. But I did want to share with you guys what the premiere feature is going to be later on. You'll probably see it, so I wanted to address that before I uploaded the video. All right, I hope that I catch you guys later, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.